Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to iron men's dress pants. First, set up your ironing board and fill your iron with distilled water if it has a steam function. Always check the care label on your pants to determine the correct temperature setting for your iron. Empty all pockets and pull them inside out. This helps prevent pocket lines from showing through the fabric after ironing. A clean iron is essential for a perfect finish. Now, let's tackle the top section of your dress pants. Begin by ironing the waistband, moving the iron along the top edge. Next, carefully press around the zipper and fly, making sure to smooth out any wrinkles. Lay the pants flat and iron the pockets, ensuring they are completely flat against the fabric. For sensitive materials, a pressing cloth can protect against shine or damage, giving you a crisp, professional look. This is where the magic happens for those sharp creases. Lay one pant leg flat, aligning the inseam and outseam perfectly to form a crisp edge. Iron from the top of the leg down to the hem, applying steady, even pressure. Repeat this process for the other leg, ensuring both creases are straight and parallel. Be careful not to create a second crease, which can make your pants look messy. Once your pants are perfectly ironed, hang them immediately on a good quality hanger. This helps to set the creases and prevent new wrinkles from forming. Allow the pants to cool down completely before you wear them or put them away in your closet. Using a padded or clip hanger will help maintain their shape and keep those sharp creases looking great until your next wear. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.